The GHD Chronos Max combines two key parts of technology from the GHD range. The first is HD responsive technology from the standard Chronos, and the second is wide plate technology from the GHD Max. Let's open it up and take a look inside. Inside the box, we have the styler itself with long 2.7 meter cord. We also have protective rubber cover, so when not in use, you place this over the top. The Chronos Max has three standout features. The first is HD responsive technology. This continually monitors the temperature of the plate so that it's giving you the best results possible in every single pass. Taking a look at the unit itself, it has that Max wide plate technology. These plates are 85% wider than a standard gold GHD, and they're the same size as the standard GHD Max. Combining this wide plate and the Chronos HD responsive technology means that it's 3 times faster to style your hair compared to the standard Max. The unit is lightweight, and with those wide plates, it makes it perfect for long, curly, and thick hair. The plate technology maintains 185 degrees continuously across the plate. It does this by monitoring the temperature 250 times a second. It has a quick 30-second heat up time from turn on, and you turn on using the power button here. Simply press on and it'll be fully heated in just 30 seconds. You can see this by the halo light at the bottom here. So when this is fully lit up, the temperature is good to go. It has wishbone technology that allows you to hold the plates easily together. This line up the plates, which reduces the frizz by up to 2.5 times. The cord is a swivel cord, allowing you to spin and use it at any angle. It has worldwide voltage and auto 10-minute switch off. So if you haven't used for 10 minutes, it will automatically turn off. The GHD Chronos Max combines the best technology from the GHD Chronos, HD responsive technology, and the wide plate of the Max GHD styler, making it the perfect option for long, curly, thick hair, or for anyone who's looking for a quick styler that's easy to use. Thanks everyone for watching it. Check out the rest of our YouTube channel for other great videos, and click the subscribe button below to be notified when we publish new videos.